Hello guys, today we are going to learn about HTML. So let's get into the video. First of all, we have to open our notepad. Go to the search bar and search notepad. Here is our notepad. Here our notepad is started. First of all, we have to see our HTML structure. How our HTML structure and how our HTML is look like. First, we have to use a HTML tag. This is a open or the starting tag. First, this is a less than sign and type here HTML and close tag. Here the first, this is HTML, this is a starter tag. After that, we have to type here our head. Here, after that we have to type the title of our web page. So here is a tag of a title which is in the head tag and the title and close, and we have to give a title name. So I gave it my first HTML program. First HTML my first HTML program. The first HTML programs. And after the title, we have to close our title tag. This and we have to give a forward slash and type here title. And close that. Hit enter. After that, we have to use a body tag for the main body or the main meta. Here we type body tag, close. Here in this area, our matter is written here. After our matter, we have to close our first. After the title tag, we have to close our head tag. As you can see here, we open our head tag but we didn't close it. We have to close first. We have to close our head tag, this symbol and forward slash and type here head, close. Our head tag is also closed. After the body, we have to close our body tag here, the forward slash and type here body, and after closing. After the body, our last step is to close our HTML tag. Here we forward slash and close our HTML tag. In this matter, first before typing a matter, we go and save our file. Here we have to press Ctrl S to save, and here I want to save my file to the desktop, and after that we have to save our file. Don't save file with only the name tag. Use .html extension. Here first program dot html and click enter. In our desktop, our HTML program in here. If we click, this is our page of an HTML. If we double click and open it, our title, if you can see this title, we type here in the notepad. This is the title of that, and in the body tag, first we type, if I write Sayyid Danish, enter, technology, enter, this is my YouTube channel, enter, and please subscribe. If we Control S to save, if we go in our here and we reload it, here is Sayyid Danish. Whatever we write in body, this is the matter of our web page. We type Sayyid Danish Technology. This is my YouTube channel. I will use like this. Have to use one tag, that is BR tag, means the break tag. If we use a smaller sign and we type BR and close it, if we Control S to, if we save this page and reload this site, here you can see this line is break. This line is break and shifted down. After that, if I write break tag here also and here also and here also, if I save this page and go and reload this page, you can see this. This is how we write there and use a break tag to see. If I want to bold this only, I type a bold tag or I use bold tag. For bold tag, here we have only type B and close, and we have to also close our bold tag here and / and B. If we save and reload this page, you see this line, this sentence is bold. If I want to italic this technology, I use an italic tag, this and I, and if I close this tag, and after that here we have to close our italic, and if we save this and go this page and reload this page, you can see this sentence is italic. That's all. Please go subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.